How do the videos normally turn out on the GoPro? Pretty sweet?
Sometimes.
Just depends?
Yeah, sometimes. Depends on lighting and...
These, like the 360 GoPros, and those especially, I feel like we're kind of finicky as far as like whether or not it's going to turn out at all.
Yeah, they got better ones out now.
Oh, for sure.
I see a lot of different ones with like little sticks and poles.
GoPros are like almost as bad as iPhones.
There's no way it's going to snow anymore.
Alright, sweet. No, looks good. I've still got shot belay. Same thing, you can just walk up this little section here. I'm gonna keep the rip loose so I don't really have you on belay for a minute, and I'll tell you when to stop. Alright, stop right there so I can get the rope nice and tight. Nope. And when you're ready, you can start heading up those boulders.
Ooh. Which way did she do?
So we're gonna look for first. Is it foot maybe like? I think it's probably easiest to get your left foot about where your left foot is. Just kind of like moving in that country on the side. Kind of point out what I'm talking about.
Dang. I don't know, I might be done, man.
You just have to go up there. Sweet. So there's a couple of options here. One is to get your left foot right about here, or possibly here. And then you're just gonna kind of have to get both hands on top of this boulder and push off with both bits of hands.
Can I raise my leg? Oh.
Oh yeah, get that foot back in that little pocket you just had it in. It's gonna be the best spot for your foot. Sweet. Same sort of thing right here. Awesome. And then here for just a second, I'm gonna have you stop right there just so that I can get back down.
Okay.
You can fully stand up if it's more comfy. You're gonna feel the rope tug on you just a little bit as I'm leaning down. Alright, now you can go for it.
I think I'm good right here.
Okay, sounds good.
I think I'm good right here.
Try you can. I'm never gonna force you.
Yeah.
I promise I've got you on the rope.
Yeah, I think I'm good right
Alright,
here.
sounds good. If you want to go ahead and step back over this way, you're gonna swing just a little bit, but it's gonna be a nice, slow, controlled swing. No big deal at all. But you will have to start stepping back.
I probably can climb back down real for real.
It's actually gonna be a lot more comfy if you don't. If you're super uncomfortable with it, it's not a big deal for me to just get up to where you're at.
see.
Either way. The reason I didn't really want you to climb back down is because I have to give you slack. So
Okay, so.
it makes it a little harder that way. But I mean, if we have to, we can.
All right, so.
So now I just want you to sit back with your harness. I've got you. I'm fully sitting back with you. Brush it down up here.
All right, hold on.
I know it's weird. Wait. And now just shuffle over to your left. Keep sitting all the way back. Here in a second, you're going to have to let go, though. So
Can I hold on to the rope?
Flip back forward.
Can I hold on to the rope or no?
Yeah, go ahead and hold on to the rope.
All right.
Nice. Now you're just going to swing slightly over. That's good. Right there. Same thing as propelling. You're trust in your abilities. Try to keep your feet flat on the run. And then I'm going to start slowly lowering you first. I'll move down, and then I can lower you off from there. Sound good?
Cool.
All right. You're coming down. Move that right foot onto the wall.
You said,
Yeah, nice.